are the dizzy dancers.
And we're on a playground. Actually, this is our home. So, I don't know what I'm doing here. So let's get dizzy. Are you okay, Bud? Bud, are you okay?
I'm not okay. My head is spinning. Oh no, I think I'm gonna hit the duck.
Well, I'm coming, Bud. Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you dead?
No.
Please don't be dead. I still need you.
What do you need me for? Doing your chores?
Yeah.
I'm
Come on,
gonna
come
tell-
here. My head is spinning already.
I want to try to hit the duck.
All right, my turn. My turn again.
Whoa. I'm dizzy. I'm dancing and I'm dizzy. Dancing and I'm dizzy. Dancing and I'm dizzy. Because we're called dizzy dancers. Woo! Did you like that? Did you like that, Bud?
I like it. I think it's time for us to go.
Aww. Okay.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye for me.